So resolution of forces. Resolution of forces is the second method of finding the resultant of system of forces. Find the resultant of system of forces. Let's just resolve one force, so that with that knowledge we can do the system of forces. Assuming you are given a force F, to resolve, we have to resolve this force F. We normally resolve it horizontally and vertically, which is almost the same thing like this. So we resolve this horizontal, assuming it makes an angle theta with the axis. So to resolve this horizontal is always F cos the angle, while this is F sine the angle. So that's what to resolve a force. That's how we resolve horizontally and vertically. So if we now have system of forces, so we resolve each of the force. Assuming you have this force F1, this force F2, this force F3, this force F4. So assuming the angle to this is theta 1, while the angle here is theta 4, while the angle here theta 3, while the angle here theta 2. So we need to resolve each of these both horizontally and vertically. And in resolving this, we always believe that when the vertical as up is always positive, down is negative, right is positive, while left is negative. So we have to bear that in mind. So to do the first one, if you resolve this first one now, this first force, so resolving it, so this is F1 cos theta 1, while the vertical component is F1 sine theta 1. So that's for force F1. For force F2, remember it's like this. So we need to resolve it this way. This F2, sorry, this F4. So this theta 4, this theta 4. So we have F4 cos theta 4, y down is now, remember I told you, if you go down is negative, so it's minus F4 sine theta 4. So that's for this one. Y for the F2 is this way. So we resolve here, which is, remember the angle is theta 2. So this is F2 cos theta 2, but due to the right, it's moving to the left. This is negative. Y up is F2 sine theta 2 positive. So y the final force, which force F3, goes this way. So this is F3. So meaning we go this way. So this should be, remember the angle is theta 3. So this F3 cos theta 3, but remember it's negative. Y the vertical is also negative. So this is minus F3 sine theta 3. So the resultant now is the summation of, so our resultant now is square root of the summation of the horizontal component plus summation of that square of that vertical component, because the resultant will form to be like this. So once you sum the horizontal, you sum the vertical. Our resultant, using our parallelogram law, so must be this. So that's it. This is the resultant. Where summation, that's h, the cos theta 1 plus for f2, where f2 is negative, so plus minus f2 cos theta 2, so minus f2 cos theta 2 plus for f3 negative, the same negative, minus f3 cos theta 3 minus f3 cos theta 3, and finally for f4 plus 4, which is positive, okay, plus f4 cos theta 4, f4 cos theta 4. So y for vertical, our for f1 is up, so f1 sin theta 1, f1 sin theta 1 plus for f2 is also up, plus f2 sin theta 2 plus for f3 is down, so plus minus, so f3 is negative, so plus minus f3 sin theta 3, finally plus for f4 is negative, so minus, so plus minus f4 sin theta 4. So whatever that we'll get here, we square it, the same thing square after find the square root, that's the resultant.